This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today I'm going to show you guys how to properly put a car seat in a Lamborghini Murcielago. So the first step to put a car seat in a Lamborghini Murcielago is you're going to open up the passenger side door, and you're going to see this switch on the side of the dash. Right now it's to off. Normally this will be in the on position. There's a special key that should have came with your vehicle. It's just a little plastic key. It's actually different than the ignition key. So you're going to need this to disable the passenger side airbag. So at this point, you're going to put it in the off position because you do not want an airbag deploying if there's a child in a car seat. So on the Murcielago, on the passenger side, you're going to see this panel here. And what you're going to do is just pull these tabs, and it's held in with Velcro, and that's going to expose this. With the seat panel in the lower rest of the passenger side, you're going to see that you have two latch system mounting points. The actual car seat is going to clip to these. Is clipping in the latch off of the car seat and to the actual Murcielago's latch system, which I showed you guys earlier, and that is how it's done. One other important thing is you need to make sure that the seat's not going to move. So we've tightened this down. This is not going anywhere. Just some advice for you guys. If you do have a child in the car seat, you should probably take their shoes off so they don't touch the dash, because my son's legs are kind of long. But he's almost 3, and he's pretty big. So that is how it goes. Well, and that is how you put a car seat in a Lamborghini Murcielago. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, or if you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.